Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says cannot scan local directory. You might not have permission to perform this operation. This usually occurs when you try to copy files or a folder into your virtual machine workstation and this error comes in front of you. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First, make sure you have WinRAR installed. If you do not, then make sure to comment down below, so we will provide you a video about how to install and get WinRAR. After that, go over to the folder which you want to transfer into your workstation and then right click on your folder and click on add to archive. Once you do this, it will compress it into a RAR file. Then you have to drag and drop here. After that, right click on your workstation and there you'll find a paste button. Just paste it and it will copy the file here. Once you do this, you will see the RAR file has been copied successfully. Now you have to right click in it, click on show more options and then extract it here. Once you do this, it will extract it and your problem should be solved. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.